Have a safe time. Okay, inshallah, I'm just going to do a brief about Tajweed. I'm recording the session so you can listen to it later on. Okay, this is especially for those who have just joined us. Just use the opportunity. We're supposed to do a new topic today, but because of you, so please let's endure. Now, at Tajweed, when we talk about Tajweed, we have to consider three things. We can't just be reading Quran anyhow. We have to think about at Tajweed. At Tajweed. Okay? So what is Tajweed? At Tajweed, number one part of it is the correct pronunciation of each Arabic letters. All the letters. All Arabic letters. The correct pronunciation of each Arabic letters. We need to understand the sound, the makharij, where each of these letters are coming from. That is number one side of what? At Tajweed. Then number two part of it is what we call melody. What is melody? Melody is using your what? The voice when you are reciting. Don't just read Quran anyhow. We have to beautify it so that we can, people can, oh, mashallah, what a nice, people want to listen to our recitation. Okay, so that's melody, beautifying our recitation. And the last part of it is all about the rules. So about the rules and regulations that we have to follow. All right. So we have so many rules. I'm learning the rules as well. Okay. But there are some rules that are very important that we need to know when we are reciting. Very important. Very, very important. Okay. And one of the rules is, we call it the rule of Nunu Sakina and Tenwin. The rule of no. Aja Mariam, are you there? Aja Mariam. Aja Mariam. She's not there and she needs it. Anyways, so I call the rule of Nunu Sakina and Tenwin. That is what I just want to brief for now. Okay? At Tajweed. If somebody asks you what is a Tajweed, so you need to highlight three things. One is, a Tajweed is all about, pronouncing correctly each Arabic alphabet. Okay? So,
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa barakatuh. The next one is to recite the Quran melodiously, okay, with melody. And the last bit is following the rules and regulations, which is okay.
Yeah, I'm try your mute time or real to so I'm here.
Okay, you are with us, isn't it?
Benny.
Mashallah. So it's by following the rules wa alaikum salam wa barakatuh. So we are now focusing on this one for today. Remember, we've got so many rules. The rule of Nunu Sakina and Tanwin. What is Nunu Sakina and what is Tanwin? Okay, so please, Nunu Sakina, the word from Nun is just letter Nun basically. Okay, Nunu Sakina, look at what I've written now. This is what you call Nunu Sakina. The Nun that has no haraka. Nun that has no haraka, or the nun that has what? That has sukun. That's what we call it nun sakina. Nun sakina. Okay? Nun sakina. If I ask you what is nun sakina, please just say to me, is the nun that has sukun or the nun that has no haraka? Are we together? And sukun can be 0 or sukun can be like a small comma like this. All right? So that is what we call Nunu Sakina. And could be in any form, could be like this, could be like that, could be like this. So as long as it has nothing on top of it, or it has a sukun, that's what's called Nunu Sakina. Okay? Then what is Tanwin? Tanwin. Tanwin is just all about double fataha, double kasra, and double dhamma. Okay? Double dhamma. Let me put double dhamma here. Double dhamma. Double dhamma. double dhamma. Now, this double dhamma, you can write double dhamma in another format. You can write Fatihataini this way with small mim. You can write Kasrataini with small dhamma. You can write Dhammateni with small mim. So, a small mim, Dhammateni, you can also have the wow with a bit of upside down here. You need to understand the root first. Nono sakina is the noun that has no haraka or that has only sukun. That is nono sakina. If somebody asks you what is nono sakina, because the rule we are looking at is about the rule of nono sakina and tanwin. So if you understand the topic, then you're free to go. Nono sakina, noun that has nothing, or the noun that has sukun. And what is tanwin? Tanwin is double fataha, double kasra, and double dhamma. In other words, you can say the applying the sound, application of sound to fatia, to kasra, and the dhamma. So, and is tiny. Okay? Tiny means something that is double, 2 times. So this is fatia tiny, kasra tiny, and dhamma tiny. If I ask any one of you on this platform, you should be able to tell me what is tanwin all about. You can explain yourself in so many ways. You can say to me, oh, tanwin is double fataha, double kasra, or double dhamma. You can say to me, is fataha tainin, kasra tainin, and dhamma tainin. You can also say to me, applying the sound, because tanwin is all about sound. Okay? Is the application of what? The sound. That is what tanwin is all about. So if you have a, is a, but when you have a and n, is an, so it becomes tanwin. So please bear it in mind. I'm going to stop here. I just introduced the rules to you. What is it all about? It's all about having the noun without any sign, or having the noun with sukun. That is and then when it's fatia tenin, kasra tenin, and dhamma tenin, which is also the sound. So to prove that nono sakina and tanwin sound let me cite an example. If I write ba fatia teni, aja nimatalai, how can I read ba fatia teni? What does it sound?
Ban.
Ban. Thank you. My second question goes to Aisha. If I write ba fatia ba and I put nun sukun, what can I read, please? Aisha, is she on seat? She's not. Okay. Aja Anema Sahun. I write ba fatia ba and I said nun sukun. How can I read this, please?
Ban.
Ban. So you can see fatia tenin, ban, ba fatia ba, nun sukun, ban. So it shows that nono sakina is all about tanwin. It sound the is just for the both side. Okay, the rule is about the rule of nono sakina and tanwin. Let me ask Aja Mariam, what is nono sakina before we start reading?
Sorry, sir. I was trying to answer you, but what happened to the?
Okay, no worries, man.
I was muted.
Never mind. Thanks so much. Aja Mariam, what is nono sakina?
Nono sakina, it has no haraka.
What has no haraka?
Noon.
Noon. Very
that
good.
has no haraka.
Very good. Very good. Aja Arugundade, what do you understand by tanwin? Aja Arugundade, someone may. Okay, let's ask Aja Zakia. What is?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum salam. Naam.
Sorry, mo wa bi se ma mutu ni.
Okay, now what do you understand by tanwin?
Tanwin.
Naam.
Tanwin is the double fatia. Yeah. Double.
Oh, yeah, bismillah. I think about double fatia.
Double fatia, double kesero. And double doma.
Double doma. That's it.
Oluwashem.
MashaAllah. Oluwashem goni. Okay, so double fatia, double kesro, and double doma. And the topic is all about sound. Inshallah, we are going to pick this up next week by the grace of God, inshallah. I hope we've learned something, inshallah. Okay, let's stop this and let's go back to our Quran recitation. Let me congratulate all the mothers in the house who have done their assessment last 2 weeks. Congratulations to all of you. I didn't see any learner who failed, mashallah, because the fail mark is 60. Can you imagine? Fail is 60. So imagine what you have got. I've got 70, I've got 80, I've got 90, even some got like 98, 97. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Barakallahu feekum. I'm so excited. It means you are all learning. And you know what? Some that didn't even get 90, they got 80 something. He said, don't worry. We are going to get there. It's just some are missing some of the tajweed. And because of the regularity but punctuality in the madrasa. So if we don't come to madrasa, as in coming to the online, let's find time to look at what we are recording so that we can review it. So that's the best thing, and that's the way forward. All right? If you come to class, one thing or two things we are going to take home. It's not only food we take away home, we take knowledge home as well. Okay? So I understand the nature of the work, everybody. You know, sometimes I don't attend because I go somewhere. So I didn't expect 100% attendance, but I'm expecting 70, 80 is good. If we missed, let's go back to online and find out what we have done. It's opportunity for all of us. Some people are not attending, you know, and they are progressing than us because they are watching our video. Yes, they are watching it. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Okay, so please, for feedback, let's make sure we plan in the future to attend session. If we cannot make it, let's look at the video. I didn't say you be there. Well, work number one, we need to survive now. So let's go to work. Okay, if we can manage to join at work, fine. If we can't, but let's go back to the YouTube and go over it. May Allah make it easy for all of us. Congratulations to all of you. So all of you, I'm going to give you 10 dojo points for passing the assessment. So inshallah, we're going to be having assessment. Let me say, not once in a month, but I can say once in 2 months. Once in 2 months, is that? The reason why I say once in 2 months is because I might not attend some week. So that's why I'm thinking once in 2 months or once in, let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. Aja Mariam, what do you think? Once in a month or once in 2 months?
I think once in 3 months.
Once in a month?
Yes.
Everybody's very agree once in a month in here.
I think once in 3 months, sir.
Once in 3 months.
So after the second month, we do revision towards the third month.
I want everybody to be doing revision at home, individual revision, because we have the YouTube.
Yes, but joint revision helps, sir.
I agree. Okay. Inshallah. Let's open our Quran, please. What surah do we stop, please? What surah do we stop? We finished Nabai. We finished have we finished Nazia? Aja Nimatalai. What about Pari Nazia? Àwọn lánàá bí tí wọ́n mọ̀ tá stop o.
No, Nazia.
Nazia verse 25.
It can't be 25. Nah.
Or
we
20.
are 40 something.
It
can't be on 40.
Okay, what I'm going to do is I leave the rest of Nazia for you. I am starting Abasa today. You are doing an amazing job. So please go all over yourself. I'm starting Abasa today so that we can all be on the same page. MashaAllah. Do you all agree?
Yes.
Please go over it. If you want to learn it more, please, your phone has got the what? The apps. So play it listening. Don't just listen, but play and look. But if you're cooking, you are washing, you can just play it and listen. That's fine. So for us to master all the tajweed, we have to look and we have to listen. Inshallah, today we are looking at Suratu Abasa. Inshallah. I normally ask 2 questions before we start a new surah. The first question is, and I always give time 1 or 2 minutes to do research, to Google it. What is the meaning of Abasa? And how 3 questions. Meaning of Abasa, how many ayahs are there, and which city this surah was revealed? Please do research.
Meaning,
How many
he
ayahs?
frowned.
How many
ayahs?
ayahs?
In Mecca.
He frowned. 42
Revealed in Mecca.
ayat.
Okay.
42 ayat. The meaning is he frowned.
Okay, frown. MashaAllah. Very good. I'm going to read ayah 1 to 10. We are now advanced, no more 5. 10, inshallah. And these ayahs here, I think they are very short, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. عبس 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 وتولى شد أمد وتولى عبس وتولى أن جاءه الأعمى أن جاء على إخفاء أيدي نونو ساكنة أن جاء ماد جاء أولي أعمى. We have learned mad al-madu al-wajib al-muttasil. So أن جاء أولي. You match this. أعمى أعمى. Don't skip the ain. أعمى. وما يود ريكا يود كلا يود ريكا. You know, I normally read word by word. Word by word. وما يود ريكا لعل شدة لعله يزكى شدة يزكى أو يذكر فتنفعه. We ignore this alif and lam because the 3rd letter have got shadda. So فتنفعه ذكر أمام. Yeah, it gum. أمام نستعجنا. We ignore this alif. Then from the nun second, kasra, we merge it with say amama nisi. Ignore the alif. Amama nisi tagina. Fa'anta lahu tasodda shadda tasodda wama عليك ألا شد ألا يزكى وما عليك ألا يزكى قلنا وأما من جاء إخفاء من جاء شد مد long mad جاءك 4 count يسع وهو يخشى from your throat يخشى فأنت عنه إظهار فأنت عنه تلاها. So inshallah we stop at ayah 10. Now I read. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. عبس وتولى عبس وتولى أن جاءه الأعمى أن جاءه الأعمى عبس وتولى أن جاءه الأعمى وما يدريك لعله يزكى وما يدريك لعله يزكى عبس وتولى أن جاءه الأعمى وما يدريك لعله يزكى أو يذكر فتنفعه ذكرى أو يذكر فتنفعه ذكرى عبس وتولى أن جاءه الأعمى وما يدريك لعله يزكى أو يذكر فتنفعه ذكرى أما من استغنى عبس وتولى أن جاءه الأعمى وما يدريك لعله يزكى أو يذكر فتنفعه ذكرى أما من استغنى فأنت له تصدى عبس وتولى أن جاءه الأعمى وما يدريك لعله يزكى أو يذكر فتنفعه ذكرى أما من استغنى فأنت له تصدى وما عليك ألا يزكى يزكى وأما من جاءك يسعى عبس وتولى أن جاءه الأعمى وما يدريك لعله يزكى أو يذكر فتنفعه ذكرى أما من استغنى فأنت له تصدى وما عليك ألا يزكى وأما من جاءك يسعى وهو يخشى فأنت عنه تلهى Ajia and Nimata and Ajia Nimatalai. Please, one verse each.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم عبس وتولى
Mo kàn lọ pàṣẹ ẹ̀kọ́ pé mi fẹ́ máa lọ, mo fẹ́ máa sá. O tún filẹ̀ fún mi náà, àbí?
Ajá Miriam.
Oya, Ejatubere. Ajia Animasa. Oya from Abasa.
Abasa وتولى
أن جاءه الأعمى
وما يدريك لعله يزكى
أو يذكر فتنفعه ذكرى
أما من استغنى
فأنت له تصدى
وما عليك ألا يزكى
وأما من جاءك يسعى
وهو وهو يخشى
All of them.
فأنت عنه تلاها.
MashaAllah, Barakallahu Fikum. Aja Aisha and Aja Zakiya, one verse each. Aja Aisha to begin, please. Aja Aisha, you will say A'udhu, and Aja Zakiya will say Bismillah, then Aja Aisha will start from Abasa. Over to you.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
عبس وتولى
أن جاءه الأعمى
No, I'm making it first time.
أحمى
Hmm.
Oh, no
وما
background noise, please. Aja Aisha, over to you. Woman.
وما يدريك لعله يزكى
أو يذكر فتنفعه الذكرى
أما من استغنى
فأنت له تصدى
وما عليك ألا يزكى
وأما من جاهك يسعى
وهو يخشى
فأنت عنه تلاها
MashaAllah and Barakallah. The four reciters so far, I assure you that you are going to be a good reciter, MashaAllah, very good. Because you are not rushing, you are taking your time. And you know what? When we are reciting Quran, don't try to rush. If you rush, two things will happen. One is you are not going to meet up with all the tajweed and you're committing sin because you're going to be saying wrong thing. So let's take our time to recite the Quran. Very good, beautiful. Now, Ajia Mariam and Ajia Atoro, Bismillah. Ajia Mariam to start A'udhu and Ajia Atoro to say Bismillah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
عبس وتولى
أن جاءه الأعمى
ومن يدري
Dhamma. Yud.
وما يدريك لها له يزكى
أو يذكر فتنفعه ذكرى
أما من
Again?
أما monistagna
Good.
وأنت لو تصدى
وما عليك ألا يزكى
وأما من جاهك يسعى
وهو
Again,
يجشاها
this letter is
وهو
وهو يخشاها.
Now, this one, you don't say ah. This fatia is to elongate this ah. So, yakhsha. Okay?
Okay, sir. يخشى.
طيب.
فأنت عنه تلهى.
I'm so excited. Beautiful recitation. MashaAllah. Just try to apply, pace. Don't rush. Very good. And if we made mistake, we're human. Even when I read, I can commit mistake. Doesn't really matter. But the thing is, we take the correction and move on. That's the best thing in life. Okay? MashaAllah. Can I invite Aji Taufik and then Aji Abishola? Aji Taufik and Aji Abishola, please.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim.
Aji Abishola. Mommy Adnan. Mommy Adnan. Okay, let's say.
Maybe she's on mute.
I was muted though. Okay, all right, coach. Me and you then, inshallah. Start again.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Abasa wa tawalla.
An ja'ul a'ma.
Wa ma yudrika la'alla yazaka.
Aw yadhakkaru fatanfa'ahu dhikra.
Amma monish tagna.
فأنت له تصدى.
Àwọn lẹ́kùn alájí ẹ má bínú mò ń sọ mí. Ó wà mú jáde ẹrù wà lọ́wọ́ mi mò ń rìn mo bọ́lẹ̀ bọ́sọ̀ mò ń rìn wálé ni mo ṣẹ̀dé lẹ́sìn mi o.
Take your time yẹn máa rí inshallah.
Wa ma alayka allari yazaka.
Wa amma man ja'aka yas'a.
Wa huwa yaksha.
فأنت عنه تلاها. ما شاء الله and barakallahu fikum. Very good. Ajia Arogundade. Ajia Arogundade, and then I think say what it said Ajia Aliyah or Ajia Abishola.
Màá kàn sí àrájì ẹjẹ́ nǹkan.
Ṣé tí náà abẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ o.
Ẹjẹ́ nǹkan.
No. Tẹ́ ẹ bá settle down ẹ ní farabalẹ̀ ká bá yẹn o.
Ẹ má wọ̀rẹ̀, màá try.
Ọ̀dà bismillah. Ajia Arogundade ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ àwùzù.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله. Oya Ajia Abishola.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
عبس وتولى.
أن جاءه.
You make this long? Mad.
Okay. أن جاءه الأعمى.
أن جاء.
أن جاءه الأعمى.
وما يدرك لعله يزكى.
أو يذكر فتنفع الذكرى.
أما من استغنى.
Very good.
فأنت له تصدى.
وما alaika wama alaika alla yazaka.
Waman
Again.
man ja'alaka
Ja'aka.
yas'a.
Good.
Wahuwa yaksha.
Yakhsha.
Yaksha.
Yakhsha. Good. Next.
Fa'anta agna.
Again.
Fa'anta agn. Fa'anta aina'u.
Ain Fatiha. No sukun. An. Hadamahu.
Anna'u.
Anihu.
Fa'anta ani'u talaha.
Very good. Fa'anta anihu talaha. MashaAllah. I give all of you 2 minutes to read by yourself. MashaAllah. Barakallah fikum to all of you. You have done amazing recitation for me. Suratu Abasa. Please, silent reading. I want to set up your quiz now. Silent reading, please. Silent reading, please.
We can't see the screen, sir.
Yeah, I'm setting it up. Your quiz. Please, muted. Everybody muted, please. 2 minutes, join individual reading, please. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Oh, muted, please.
To YouTube. YouTube ló ń gbé mi lọ sá o. Link tèmi.
Ẹ má click lórí yẹn.
Ìwọ la ní kí n click, sir.
Mi ò tí ní kẹ́ click at all. I said
Okay.
2 minutes 2 minute revision. That's what I said.
Screen.
I haven't shared any screen. I said 2 minutes by your side. I'm going to share the link now so everyone can join and do it for me, please. On the chat, this is the quiz. On the chat, please click the link I've just shared now. Everyone, please click it. Please start logging in now.